Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can add a photo in a chat with Claude AI. So, first create a new chat or choose already existing. I would create a new. Then you can choose already existing photo in this option. Or you can make a new one with this camera. Just do a photo, then click OK and wait a little bit. You can write to him what should he do with it. For example, describe this photo, and he will describe it. So that's all. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.